If you have an older pre-existing roof that's leaked for many years, or you have an emergency situation, Everseal is your quick one-product, easy fix solution. Everseal is more UV stable than any other product on the market, which allows it to last longer under the sun. It can be used as a single repair product or as flashing detail with our different systems. The Everseal Sealant is a great repair product, has high UV resistance, it's a longer lasting product that doesn't disappear in the sun, and it sticks to everything due to its unique plasticizer-free formulation. Its fast drying time and ability to adhere even underwater allows increased productivity and a quicker way to finish your project. Everseal puts your repair team in the position to be efficient, reliable, and work efficiently. Everseal is easy to use and it's easy to apply. Fix things right the first time. Available in 10-ounce tubes, 28-ounce contractor tubes, and 2-gallon pails.